The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 9:20 p.m., NASA has detected that the color black is spreading around the globe. People, animals, objects, vehicles, houses, and buildings are turning black. It's believed that the color black will spread around the world within the next 3 hours. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world, gather your friends, pets, children, and objects, and prepare for your death. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.